Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, I'm excited to show you guys how this project is turning out. And I have to tell you, I am loving it. Maybe even obsessed with it. Okay, so I put together my 31 cards that I want to be working on starting October 1st. If you watched my last video, I talked to you guys very briefly about I'm planning to put a little bit of some DIY into these cards that I have been having for a while. I picked 31 of these cards. I made them into a little booklet and I'm going to be decorating them starting October 1st through October 31st. So 31 cards, 31 days, perfect. Now, I want to show you guys how I am going to do the cover. So the little cards are all in here. All I did was I just kind of arranged the colors how I thought would be nice. I punched a hole in the little side over here using my regular punch, and then I just put through a little string so I can kind of keep it together. I have here the cover, which I'm going to be working with you guys right now. I try to make it very simple because I don't want to like really do too many complicated things, but I just love the way this cover turned out. Okay, I love it. Okay, so I'm kind of clearly in the pink kind of mood. I think that the sticker, these little stickers from Michaels, really just got me into like the pinky kind of Halloween mood. Okay, so this is my cover. I kind of put it together a little bit. I love the way it turned out. Okay, so I found this really cute pink bat, and then I have these two adorable little foam stickers from Michaels, and I have this pretty little embellishment from Michael as well, and I have this cute adorable little doily that I absolutely love. Okay, so I'm going to put together this beautiful cover with you guys. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work with my doily. Let me just go, maybe like that's better. You guys can see it better that way. Okay, I want to add my really cute adorable bat right in here, and then I'm also going to add my awesome little pumpkins back here. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is just hot glue my bat to my doily. Okay, I'm going to be very generous because I want my bat to stay in place. All right, and I'm just going to hot glue it right onto my doily. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to hot glue my pumpkins right behind my little bat. Now these have already backings on the back, but I do want to add more because I don't want this to fall anywhere. And I am going to be using this for the next 31 days starting October. You guys, are you guys also putting together your little booklet? I hope you guys are. And if you are, please tag me so I can see what it looks like, okay? Now I'm going to add this little beautiful pink lantern right there, okay? So cute. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue here, 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 here. All right, and then I'm going to add you right in here, just like that. Okay, how cute is this? I want to make sure that everything is sticking well because I'm going to be using this a lot, and so I want to make sure that none of these things are falling off. Yeah, so just make sure you go back and you just make sure everything is sticking well. All right, so now we're going to add it to the front cover. I just thought this was so cute. Isn't that adorable? Now I'm going to hot glue all around my doily, and then I'm going to glue this down right in front of my cover. Okay, all right, let's see here. Okay, now we're going to glue this down. Make sure that it sticks well. Okay, beautiful. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my beautiful little flower right there. Okay, so I'm going to hot glue this also. And I'm going to add this right in between those two. I love this cover, it's so cute. Okay, beautiful. Perfect. I just finished my cover. I love my cover. I love my cover. Okay, this one fell off, so let's hot glue this back again. Okay, gonna get a little bit of hot glue and glue this back. Hold on. Okay, perfect. Beautiful. Okay, perfect. There goes my front cover of my beautiful little book. Oh my God, this is so cute, isn't it? So what I did here is I used the sticker, a little sticker book that also is Halloween, and I also got this from Michael's, I think it was like a few years ago. It looks just like this, and all I did was I used the words, the little words and numbers. I took 2024 from here. You can do that with any sticker book that you have. And then I put the word Halloween using my little label maker, okay? And that's literally all I did, guys. And this is my cover for my little book that we're going to be creating. I thought this turned out so cute, right? So now all I gotta do is just punch a little hole right here, which I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, and I'm going to add this to the front of my little booklet. I use twine to put the pages together. You can use, if you want twine, you can use ribbon, you can use lace, whatever you want, okay? I don't want to tie this too much because I want my pages to go, as I'm working on them, I want them to go like this. See? So as I'm working them, it doesn't interfere, and it can just go like that. So I'm not going to tie it too tight. So this way I have enough room to move around. Okay, there you go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding some of these fun little beads to try and create a little tassel. Okay, I'm gonna do a little fun little beads in here. I'm gonna do black. I'm gonna do black, orange, black, and white. Black and white. All right, and then I'm going to make a nice little bow. Well, not bow, a knot. Okay. So that doesn't fall anywhere. And I'm going to do the same thing on this end. Maybe I'll do a different order. I'll do white. You can also use buttons if you want. You can use pom-poms if you want. we're done. There we go. Make a nice little knot so that your beads don't fall off. You can even do 2 knots, but I think 1 knot is good enough for me. Yeah, 1 knot is good. And there you have it. I love this. I think this is such a great idea. And I'm kind of loving the idea. Okay, perfect. So now we have my beautiful little cover with my beautiful little tassel and my little booklet together. How cute is that? Isn't that adorable? I'm so excited to start this project. I cannot wait. All right, my loves. I hope this was helpful. And I hope that you guys got some ideas from this, okay? All right, my loves. Follow me on Instagram to see more of these wonderful projects. Hopefully, you guys can put your little books together. Tag me on Instagram so I can see what it looks like. And I hope that we all do this together, okay? I'll see you soon, my loves. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye.